Winter might seem like a quiet, barren time for gardening, but it doesn't have to be. While many plants are dormant during the colder months, there are actually plenty of beautiful and resilient varieties that thrive and bloom in winter's chill. In this article, we'll explore 20 stunning winter-blooming plants that not only survive the cold, but also add interest, charm, and a pop of color to your outdoor space. The Christmas cactus Schlumbergera is a wonderful addition to any indoor garden, especially during the winter months when many other plants may be dormant. This charming succulent is celebrated for its stunning, tubular flowers that bloom in a variety of vibrant colors, including shades of pink, red, and white. The colorful blossoms appear just when the season needs a bit of cheer, bringing a festive touch to your home. What makes the Christmas cactus even more appealing is its ability to thrive in indoor environments. It's an easy-to-care-for plant that prefers bright, indirect light and moderate temperatures, making it perfect for living rooms, kitchens, or any cozy corner in your home. With its trailing, segmented stems, the plant has a unique appearance that adds texture and interest to your indoor garden. Unlike many plants that bloom in spring or summer, the Christmas cactus has a special winter bloom cycle, typically flowering around the holiday season. This makes it a favorite for bringing warmth and color to your home during the colder months, enhancing the holiday spirit with its vibrant display. Viburnum bodnantense is a delightful deciduous shrub that brings both beauty and fragrance to your garden, especially during the late winter months when most plants are still in dormancy. Known for its clusters of small, fragrant flowers in shades of pink or white, Viburnum offers a refreshing burst of color and scent just when you need it most. These blossoms often appear before the leaves, creating an enchanting sight and filling the air with a sweet, pleasant fragrance. Ideal for planting in gardens or along pathways, Viburnum grows well in a variety of conditions, thriving in full to partial sun and a well-drained soil. Its elegant flowers are a welcome sign of the coming spring, drawing pollinators such as bees and butterflies. Sweetbox Sarcococca confusa is an exquisite evergreen shrub that offers year-round appeal and a burst of fragrance in the late winter months. Its small, highly fragrant white flowers bloom just as the winter chill begins to fade, releasing a sweet, intoxicating scent that fills the air and attracts early pollinators like bees. These delicate blossoms are a true winter delight, offering a subtle, yet captivating contrast to the cold, gray days of the season. As the flowers fade, Sweetbox produces small, glossy black berries, adding visual interest and providing a food source for birds through the winter months. The plant's deep green, leathery leaves remain lush and vibrant throughout the year, making it a reliable and attractive addition to any garden or landscape, even during the colder months. Ideal for shaded or partially shaded areas, Sweetbox thrives in well-drained soil and is perfect for planting along paths, in woodland gardens, or as a low hedge. Winter Aconite, Eranthis hyemalis, is a charming and cheerful plant that brings a splash of bright yellow to gardens during the late winter months. With its delicate, buttercup-like flowers, it creates a striking contrast against the still bare landscapes, signaling the first signs of spring. These vibrant blooms appear in early to mid-winter, often carpeting woodland gardens or shady spots with a blanket of color, offering a welcome sight after the long, dreary winter. Despite their delicate appearance, winter aconites are hardy and thrive in cool, moist conditions, making them perfect for naturalizing in woodland areas or along the edges of paths. Their bright yellow flowers, often surrounded by deep green, fern-like foliage, stand out beautifully against the muted colors of winter. After flowering, the plant's leaves die back, leaving room for other spring blooms to take over. Edgeworthia chrysantha, commonly known as paperbush, is a stunning deciduous shrub that brings a touch of elegance and fragrance to the garden in late winter. This unique plant is renowned for its clusters of small, fragrant flowers that bloom on bare branches, creating a striking contrast against the starkness of winter. The flowers, often in shades of yellow or cream, fill the air with a sweet, intoxicating scent that adds a delightful sensory experience to the garden. Edgeworthia's blooms appear before its leaves, creating a beautiful spectacle as they seem to glow against the backdrop of the winter landscape. Its blossoms are not only a treat for the senses, but also attract early pollinators, such as bees, providing much-needed food during the colder months. After flowering, the plant's large, dark green leaves emerge, offering a lush, textured backdrop as the season progresses. This hardy shrub thrives in well-drained, slightly acidic soil and prefers partial shade, making it an excellent addition to woodland gardens, borders, or as a specimen plant. The distinctive beauty and fragrance of Edgeworthia make it a standout in any garden, offering a burst of life and color when most other plants are still dormant. Pieris japonica is a stunning evergreen shrub that adds both beauty and seasonal interest to the garden. Known for its elegant, bell-shaped flowers, Pieris blooms in late winter to early spring, offering delicate clusters of white or pink blossoms that hang gracefully from its branches. These flowers create a soft, cascading effect, contrasting beautifully with the plant's dark, glossy green foliage, and they fill the air with a light, sweet fragrance that enhances the garden atmosphere during the cooler months. Beyond its lovely flowers, Pieris is also admired for its year-round appeal. The shrub's leathery, evergreen leaves provide a lush, vibrant backdrop throughout the seasons, while the new growth often emerges with a striking red or bronze hue before turning green. After blooming, the plant's foliage continues to shine, making it a valuable addition to gardens year-round. Pansies, Viola x wittrockiana are delightful cold-hardy animals that bring a burst of color to gardens, even in the chillier months. Known for their vibrant, large blooms, pansies are available in a wide array of colors, including shades of purple, yellow, red, blue, and even multicolored combinations. In milder climates, these cheerful flowers can bloom through the winter, brightening up the landscape when most other plants are dormant. Pansies are not only visually striking, but also resilient, capable of withstanding cold temperatures and frost. Their hardy nature makes them a favorite for gardeners looking to add color and life to their winter and early spring gardens. Whether planted in containers, hanging baskets, or garden beds, pansies bring a lovely splash of brightness to patios, porches, or outdoor spaces, making them an ideal choice for seasonal color in cooler weather. Bergenia spp, commonly known as elephant's ears, is a captivating perennial that makes a bold statement in the garden with its large, leathery leaves and stunning floral display. As one of the earliest bloomers in the garden, Bergenia produces clusters of pink or purple flowers that appear in late winter, offering a welcome burst of color when the garden is still emerging from the cold. The name elephant's ears comes from the plant's large, broad leaves, which have a distinct, textured appearance that adds a unique element to the garden throughout the seasons. While the flowers are a highlight in late winter, the foliage remains lush and attractive through the spring and summer, turning bronze or reddish hues in the fall, which further extends the plant's visual appeal. Bergenia is a hardy, low-maintenance plant that thrives in a variety of soil conditions, preferring well-drained soil and partial to full shade. It's perfect for planting in woodland gardens along shady borders or as a ground cover. Winterberry Ilex verticillata is a deciduous holly that brings vibrant color and seasonal interest to the winter landscape. Known for its brilliant red berries, Winterberry stands out against the bare branches and snow-covered ground, offering a striking display of color when most other plants are dormant. These bright berries, which appear in late fall, persist through the winter, providing a valuable food source for birds and wildlife, making it not only a visual delight, but also an ecological asset to the garden. Unlike many evergreen hollies, Winterberry loses its leaves in the fall, but the clusters of red berries remain, adding a bold contrast to the landscape throughout the colder months. This hardy shrub thrives in moist, well-drained soil and prefers full sun to partial shade, making it ideal for planting in wetland areas along stream banks or in garden beds where its striking berries can shine. Winterberry is dioecious, meaning that both male and female plants are required for pollination and berry production, so planting a male variety alongside a female ensures an abundant berry crop. Its bright red berries, along with its graceful, arching branches, create a beautiful, festive effect in the winter garden, providing a touch of natural beauty and offering nourishment for birds all season long. Christmas rose Helleborus niger is a stunning winter-blooming perennial that brings elegance and cheer to the garden when the weather is still cold. Closely related to other hellebores, Christmas rose is known for its beautiful, pure white flowers that bloom in mid to late winter, often emerging while snow still covers the ground. These delicate, cup-shaped blooms brighten up the garden, offering a touch of softness and brightness amidst the stark winter landscape. Despite its delicate appearance, Christmas rose is a hardy plant that thrives in shady to partially shaded areas, making it perfect for woodland gardens, shaded borders, or even beneath deciduous trees. The plant's evergreen foliage provides year-round interest, with its dark green, leathery leaves offering a rich backdrop to the winter flowers. Christmas rose is relatively easy to care for and prefers well-drained, humus-rich soil. Its early season blooms and evergreen nature make it an excellent choice for gardeners looking to add seasonal color and texture to the garden, particularly during the dreary winter months. Don't let winter dull your garden's beauty. Even in the coldest months, there's no reason your outdoor space can't shine with color and life. With these 20 winter-blooming plants, you can enjoy a vibrant, lively garden even when the weather is chilly. From the delicate flowers of the Christmas rose to the striking red berries of Winterberry, these hardy plants are designed to thrive in winter's embrace, adding bursts of color, fragrance, and interest when most other plants are resting. Whether you're looking to create a winter wonderland with bright blooms or attract wildlife with berries, there's a perfect plant for every garden. Choose a few of these resilient beauties to add some winter cheer and transform your garden into a year-round delight. Happy gardening, and may your outdoor space stay as vibrant as ever, no matter the season.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.